I think it's very important that the managers, the CEO, the head of department, the executive prepare and present themselves, their project, their new company, their new product or services directly to an audience instead of sending someone else. Very often I hear head of departments telling me, yes, but I hate doing presentations. 1 week before I have to focus, do a lot of preparation, spend a lot of time on my PowerPoint until the night before. And I tell them, let's work together. And you will be able to present and be in your best light to attract all the attention you need for everything you have to say about this project, this new company, etc., etc.